Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Zen Crypto. Ticker symbol is XEN. This token just got two brand new central exchange listings. We're going to go over how you can get this token and the information on this token here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Zen token. So you can find their Twitter at ZenCryptoIO. So this token just got two new brand new central exchange listings. So the first one is, it is about to be listed on Hotbit today. It says October 9th at 10 a.m. UTC time, trading opens on Hotbit. So if you want to get this token, you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search XEN, and then you'd simply just buy the token. Now also, this token just got a listing on Mexc Global as well. So two brand new listings. So same thing for Mexc Global. It should be listed on there very shortly. You could check on Mexc Global's Twitter to see exactly what time it is that it gets listed on there. But same thing. There's an Mexc referral code in the description. You can use that if you like. You just go right through that. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search XEN. Now, if you go over to at ZenCryptoIO on Twitter, it says they just joined in September 2022, brand new project, 2,914 followers so far, 74 tweets already, so they're very active on Twitter. Has their webpage listed on here, zencrypto.io, and they also have a Telegram that you could join as well. And that is at ZenCryptoTalk. So check out that Telegram. If you go to their webpage, they have a learning button, explore now button, try Zen. It says, be your own bank, mint your way to freedom. Zen is a breeze of fresh air in the crypto space. Its value put on your time preference and the number of like-minded people you get in free just for being you. I can already tell this token, I'm sure, is translated. This webpage, I mean, is translated because it's already reading very weird, but we'll see what happens here as I read it. So it says, Zen Crypto is a collaborative project of people building for the Zen community. Zen Crypto is a collaborative effort of the crypto community to educate others about the freedom to create and channel economic energy through the Zen token. We want to spread information about the first principles delineated by Satoshi Nakamoto in the Bitcoin white paper and brought back by Jack Levin, the founder of Zen. Our effort is directed at promoting self-custody, trust through consensus, transparency, and decentralization. All these principles are reflected in Zen. Zen Crypto is a small part of the whole community. It is self-organized, realizing that the value of the Zen token is derived from themselves, and there's nothing else more important than to give, if not the single individuals, minting Zen and expressing their will. Get to know Zen. How to play your Zen strategy game. So it says how to best plan your Zen strategy. Zen Crypto launch is approaching fast on October 8th, and we'll be able to connect our wallets to the official Zen Network website. Okay, so this is approaching fast to be able to the website and mint Zen tokens for ourselves. This is amazing because we can now do the Zen with Zen what Satoshi Nakamoto did 13 years back when he first started minting or mining Bitcoin. We collected here some of these strategies provided by the well-known Xenians and featured Jack Levin's Zen minting strategy. So it says Zen crypto community member Mike Zallo. He says, the guide suggests a balanced approach to minting Zen. It is not a guide to getting the absolute max out of the program, but more to get a stable and easy managed minting experience. The assumptions he makes are that that it's time for the biggest amplified yield, and with this premise, your mint term should always be the maximum length. So it goes over this minting process anyways. There's a huge article about minting strategies, so you can mint this token, I guess. Then we have frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page. Let's see if these even work. I don't even know if these, because I'm clicking on the frequently, it looks like the frequently asked questions don't even work yet, because I'm clicking on them, nothing happens. Now they do have their team or contributors doxed at the bottom of the page here. You can see 3 of those. You could sign up for updates and strategies. It has that on here. It also has GitHub. I'm not sure if this is let me click on the GitHub, see if it's a white paper. No, okay. But they also have Twitter, Telegram, YouTube channel, Discord, and then Reddit. So if I click on Learn, it says how to best play your Zen strategy game. And then we have Zen Crypto and the Multi-Chain Future. These are all different articles. Zen Crypto Audit Report. So you can check out, they were fully audited by CertiK. And CertiK is the leading crypto auditor, so that's great that they have that. Zen for Bitcoin, Maxis, and other skeptics. Zenpedia and Zeducation, your source for Zen answers. Zen and Google, what connects them. How Jack Levin came up with the idea of Zen. Zen testing on Pulse Chain, BSC, and Matic. Ethereum gas fee explained. How to use MetaMask. Zen is not an ICO. How Zen fights against minting in multiple addresses. Who is Jack Levin? Zen versus Bitcoin. Zen game theory. How to mint Zen. How to buy Zen. What are Zen's tokenomics? And what is Zen crypto? So all sorts of different articles here that you could learn about. And this is in the learning section. So Zen is a token that can be minted for free. The only thing you need to create Zen is an Ethereum compatible wallet that interacts with the Zen smart contract and claim a C rank and some ETH to pay for the gas fee. So you could just mint this token. Explains how to do that, how you get rewards, reward amplifiers, early adopter amplification, free mint, gives you formulas here, penalties, APY rewards, all this, so much information. If you go over to zencrypto.io, you can learn all about how you can mint this token for free and how, now you'll be able to get it also on Hotbit and Mexc Global. So check out those referral codes down below there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And don't forget to check out all those referral codes and leave a comment. What do you guys think about Zen Crypto? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.